Welcome to the Accessibility 101 training on adding alternative text to images and tables. Alternative text, also known as alt text, assists learners who use screen readers to understand the content of images in your document. For many learners, this is the only information they have about the images and objects in your document. Alt text should be included for any of the following objects in your document: pictures, clip art, smart art graphics, tables and charts. To add alternative text to an image or object in your document, right-click on the image or object. Then select Format Picture from the context menu. Within the Format Picture pane on the right side of the page, click the third icon, Layout and Properties. Next, click arrow beside alt text. The title is not required for screen readers. Within the description box, enter a description of the image. The description should be concise and relevant to your document. Enter 1 or 2 sentences describing the image to the user. Click the X in the right corner to close out the Format Picture menu. Tables within documents also require alternative text. To add alt text to a table, right-click on the tables. Select Table Properties from the context menu. From the Table Properties menu, click the Alt Text tab. The title is also not required for tables when entering alt text. Enter the description of the table in the description box. The description for the table should be concise and relevant to the information contained within the table. Enter 1 or 2 sentences describing the tables to the user. Click the OK button to save the alt text. The image and table now meets accessibility standards by having alternative text applied.